Hello, Assalamualaikum. I'm going to make some okra today, and if you don't like okra, no problem. The way I'm making, you will love it. जब अगर आपको भिंडी अच्छी नहीं लगती तो कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन जिस तरह मैं बना रही हूँ उससे बहुत मज़ेदार बनेगी. And okra is very healthy because me and my husband are both diabetic, so we try our best to eat things that are good for us. And all you have to do is to just take the head off, check if this is good. You don't have to touch it. Whole okra is very good, so I'm going to take all the heads off. From the frozen okra it's even easier. Okay, to make the okra, whole okra, I'm going to need some green peppers. Those peppers are mild, 5 or 6 cloves of garlic, and less than half white onion or yellow onion, and okra. And we have here cup and a half of tomato sauce. Let's start making our okra. On medium to low heat, we will add to the skillet 2.5 spoons of olive oil, or whichever oil you choose to make your food, any cooking oil. Olive oil is a low heat oil, so I'm not going to heat it too much. Let's add onions to it. 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Onion is turning brown. There comes the garlic. 5 or 6 cloves of garlic. Let the garlic toast a little bit. And while the garlic is getting toasted, you will get just a little bit brownish, and we need to add the peppers at the same time so we can get the flavors out of them. Okay, all right, let them sit. Those peppers will add very appetizing flavor to it, and that's the reason I'm adding them with the garlic and the onions. मैंने इसमें बहुत तेज़ नहीं है, हल्की हरी मिर्चें डाली हैं और उनको इस तरीके से रखा है कि ऑयल और लहसुन के और प्याज के साथ वो थोड़ी सी नीचे से ब्राउन हो जाएं. उसकी वजह से बहुत अच्छा फ्लेवर जो है वो इस भिंडी में आ जाएगा. एक और बात कि जब मैं प्याज डालती हूँ और उसको फ्राई करना शुरू करती हूँ तो उसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा नमक छिड़क देती हूँ. नमक छिड़कने से प्याज के अंदर जो नेचुरल शुगर्स होती हैं वो बाहर आ जाती हैं और वो प्याज बहुत मज़ेदार हो जाता है. What I was saying was that when I fry the onions, I sprinkle a little bit of salt on them. That brings all the sugars and the flavors out of onion, and this way the onions turn very delicious. Everything is getting nice and toasty. Almost time to add the okra. Okay, I placed the okra in the skillet, in the frying pan. Now I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of lemon juice on it. Just like that. And we are going to let okra cook for a while before we change its side. We will turn it in a minute or two. थोड़ा सा बनाने का टाइम है, थोड़ा सा इसको मिला देंगे, ज़्यादा नहीं, क्योंकि मैं नहीं चाहती कि भिंडी की जो ग्लू है वो बाहर आए. I just stir it a little bit like that. I don't want to take all the glue or whatever gluey stuff in the okra to come out, so I will be very careful, and I'm barely touching those okras. From this angle you can see the peppers that I put face down while frying the onion and garlic. They look so beautiful now, and they have released their flavor and fragrance in the okra. The okra is changing color. Now we can add some cumin, white cumin, that's सफ़ेद ज़ीरा, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, quarter of a teaspoon of mustard seeds, bit of coriander, like half a teaspoon. I'm being very careful with salt, but I need to add another half a teaspoon. And now is the time to add the tomato sauce. Okay, I will add a little water, and here goes the water. Now we can cover this and we will let it cook. Let it simmer for 15 minutes, then we will check on it. Okay, it's simmering away. Let's cover with a plate like that again, so we can keep the steams inside. I love to cook my food in the steam and less water or no water. Okay, and you can see fire is medium to low, and we will keep it like that. You can see how nicely okra is coming together. It's changing the color. By the time this okra is done, it will be so soft that it will literally melt in your mouth. Another 20 minutes. I'm going to cover it again. ये भिंडी जो है ये बहुत मज़ेदार बनती है, बहुत ही सॉफ्ट होती है, जैसे मुंह के अंदर पिघल जाए, और इसमें कोई लेस नहीं, कुछ नहीं होती, सारा कुछ उसके अंदर पक के ख़त्म हो जाएगा और वो बहुत सॉफ्ट हो जाएगी। ये देखिए बहुत ही नरम और मज़ेदार भिंडी बनकर तैयार हो गई है। बहुत नरम है, बहुत अच्छे से पक गई है, और इसको भी मैं दम पे और 10-15 मिनट्स भी रख सकती हूँ, आपकी मर्ज़ी है। और इसमें कोई लेस नहीं होगी, अंदर से अच्छी तरह पक चुकी होगी। इफ़ यू लाइक माई वीडियोज़ प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब एंड लीव मी फीडबैक and let me know how I'm doing. Thank you. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियोस अच्छी लगी हैं या मेरा कुकिंग करने का तरीका अच्छा लगा है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, और वो जो रेड बेल है उसको भी क्लिक कर दीजिए ताकि मेरी वीडियोस जब नई आएँ तो सबसे पहले आप तक पहुँचें। थैंक यू, शुक्रिया, जज़ाकल्लाह। This okra is very nice. Let me plate some okra for you so you can see how it looks. I hope I don't make a mess. There. This is whole okra with peppers, lemon, and okay, let's see. Here you go. There. You can serve this okra with whole wheat naan, regular naan, or pita bread, and it's very delicious. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. I appreciate that, and please don't forget to subscribe.